Hello guys, it's JT here, and today we'll be applying this UV screen protector. So let's do a little unboxing of this screen protector. This is stops 95% impact, and this is for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Behind is a curved screen protector, glass protector, installation guide is behind. Alright, high transparency, 9H hardness, anti-fingerprint. Oh, so when you put it on there, your fingerprint will not work. So let's unbox this. Okay, so right in the box we have the guide sticker, and then we have protector accessory. I think these are the wipes for the screen. Then we have the protector itself. Okay, and then we have a cable. We have the UV lamp for the UV lights, and then I think this will be the glue. All right, so that's about it for the unboxing. So this is the phone we'll be applying it to. So let's get right into it. I think first we need to clean the screen. So this has a soft cloth, and okay, it has wipes for cleaning the screen here too. These are wet wipes. Alright, it's pretty neat. Then we clean with the soft cloth. Alright, so if we're done cleaning, we need to apply the liquid. Once we are done applying the liquid, we take out the glass and put it on the screen. So once the glue has filled every part of the screen and there's no bubble under the glass, we will use the UV lamp. We need power source, so I got some power here to dry off the glue. Oh, it's pretty bright. So we will pass it all over the screen. So we'll do this for about a minute or two, and then we will check and make sure the glue is dry and the glass is in perfect shape. Okay, so we've been doing this for some time now. I'm guessing by now the glue under the glass is dry. Let's try it out. Okay, I think it's perfect. It's not easily noticed, and I think that this is pretty strong. I've used this before. This, I think, the second time I'm using this, and it served well. If you want one of these screen protectors, you can send me a message. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly follow this channel if you want to see more videos like this.